Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can speed up the Gilded Acorn item ordering service in Heartopia. So as you can see, I have just ordered a 2-seat booth sofa, and it's going to only take almost well, 2.5, no, it's not even 2.5 days, like two and like a quarter day. And basically, what you're gonna wanna do is you got like a ticket, right? So you're going to wanna go around asking people for stamps. Make sure you have food so you're able to give them because it does consume their energy. Please be a polite person in this game. So you're gonna wanna do that, and I think it's you can only get like a maximum of 4 stamps, and then it's going to then make your delivery quicker. So instead of 1 week, it could be like 3 to 4 days. I don't know, but I got like 2 in like a quarter day, I guess, if you want to call it that. But yeah, that is it. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.